Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Are you trying to lose 5 kilos by Christmas? Do you want to get slimmer fast with simple daily habits that actually work? What if I told you that one of the foods most people trust, protein powder, might actually stop you from reaching your goal to lose 5 kilos and not help you get slimmer at all? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes you'll learn the real science your trainer never told you. And the truth is, if you want to lose 5 kilos by Christmas and get slimmer without starving yourself, the biggest secret is understanding how your body uses protein, how it burns fat, and which habits turn on your natural fat-burning system daily. So keep watching, because the #1 food that repairs your body and reduces cravings better than protein powder is coming up soon. Today, we're breaking down the truth about protein powder, how your body actually uses protein, and the simple ways to boost fat burning, so you can finally lose 5 kilos by Christmas, shape your body, and feel lighter without complicated diets. Protein powders are one of the newest inventions in the nutrition world, but the idea that you need more protein didn't come from real science, it came from marketing. Here's the truth nobody tells you. The average person needs way less protein than the recommended daily intake. The government protein recommendations to avoid deficiencies, meaning, your body cannot store protein. And most of the extra protein you eat gets turned into sugar, and then fat. So eating more protein does not mean building more muscle. Unless you are actively strength training, your body burns it as energy or stores it as fat. Studies have shown, whether you eat 25 g, 50 g, or 100 g of protein, only about 13% of that goes to muscle. Carbo being combined either sugar or fat, and here's the shocking part. Protein powders, especially whey or casein, are pre-digested foods. That means they're absorbed instantly, spike insulin fast, and tell your body to buy, not burn it. If your goal is to lose 5 kilos by Christmas, relying on protein shakes is one of the worst mistakes you can make. Too much protein can lead to higher blood sugar, higher insulin, more abdominal fat, higher blood pressure, more cravings, weak bones because protein powders don't fix gut issues, slower fat loss, and processed protein powders are often loaded with added sugars, artificial sweeteners, lectins from pea or soy proteins, and a harmful molecule called new 5-GC that inflames joints, blood vessels, and the gut. If your goal is to get slimmer, this is exactly the opposite of what your body needs. Muscle growth comes from strength training, recovery, eating enough, but not excess, protein. Even people on low protein intake build muscle just as effectively when they work out consistently. The secret is movement, not massive protein shakes. If this is helpful, keep watching, because in a moment, I'll reveal the best plant-based proteins, the quick meals, and the 2-minute exercises you can do daily to finally lose 5 kilos by Christmas, and naturally get slimmer. 99% of people use protein powders the wrong way, but if you are actively strength training, wait 10-20 minutes after your workout. Take a small amount of protein, add a little healthy carbohydrate. This makes your muscles hungry and increases protein absorption. Plant-based protein is better, especially hemp protein, spirulina, flax protein, because these come with fiber which slows absorption and prevents insulin spikes. Avoid regular pea protein. Soy protein, these have lectins unless labeled isolate. If your goal is to lose 5 kilos by Christmas, here's what works far better than protein shakes. Morning metabolism, activator, drink warm water with lemon or green tea, walk 5 minutes or do 20 squats. This wakes up your fat-burning system. Simple eating method, eat real whole foods, add fiber to every meal, keep protein moderate, and avoid pre-digested or ultra-processed foods. Quick daily exercises, you can do anytime, 20 squats, 10 push-ups, wall push-ups okay, 30 seconds fast marching in place. Repeat 3 rounds, about 3 minutes total. High-volume, low-calorie foods help you get slimmer without feeling hungry. Vegetables, leafy greens, berries, and wild salmon. So here's the truth. If you want to lose 5 kilos by Christmas and truly get slimmer, you don't need giant protein shakes. Your body already gets more protein than it can use. What you need is real food, fiber, movement, and habits that support natural fat burning. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned.